Hi, my name is Elena Rugal and welcome back to my page or channel. It depends where are you now. So today I'm going to show you beautiful 3D pattern. This is very simple and fast to make pattern. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's get started crocheting. Make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Then chain of 2. These chains for transition from the first row to the second. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. Half double crochet with yarn over the hook. Then make half double crochet with yarn over the hook into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Let's crochet such stitch. I have done 10 half double crochet with yarn over. This is the first row of my pattern. Then chain 2 to bring up the yarn. I turn the work. Now I'm working with back loops. This is my back loop of this stitch. Now I'm using back loop and yarn over. I insert the hook in these two loops and sorry, I don't make yarn over. Make yarn over, insert the hook into two loops. Make half double crochet with yarn over. As you can see, I turn my pattern and make half double crochet with yarn over and make as many stitches as you need. Like this. This pattern can be perfect for bags, baskets, to make decoration for home, hats, scarves, dishcloths, or towel for kitchen or for bathroom, or just for rugs. Here what I have. I have got beautiful 3D pattern. I remind you this is the second row of the pattern. Now you should crochet by yourself. I have done 2 rows. I remind you this is the second row of my pattern. I didn't use chain stitches that I did at the beginning of this previous row. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, and work with back loops and yarn over. So you should work with 2 loops. Now yarn over the hook and make half double crochet with yarn over. I insert the hook into back loop and yarn over of the previous stitch. Like this. So I remind you I am working with 2 loops, not into the one. I have done the last one. Let's stop and look. This is the third row. As you can see, my pattern has a volume. Also, it can be perfect for kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or Facebook page where I publish video. I have done some rows and my swatch is ready. This is one side and this is the reverse side. So you can use 2 sides. So this is double-sided pattern that can be perfect for accessories or tools for home and kitchen. It is a little bit stretchy. Don't forget to subscribe, crochet with me and learn something new.